Islamabad colon the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz on Tuesday withdrew a private members bill seeking an amendment to the National Accountability Ordinance, 1999, in the National Assembly in line with the decision of the Pakistan Democratic Movement, which had announced that the opposition would not support any government move to change the country's accountability laws, full stop. The other significant happening in the National Assembly was the rejection of a bill that had jointly been moved by independent MNA, Mohsen Dawar, and Balochistan National Party Chief Sardar Akhtar Mangal, seeking the punishment of life imprisonment for those found involved in enforced disappearances of the people in any part of the country after it was opposed by the government. Full stop. New para. Through the withdrawn bill, the PMLN had sought withdrawal of the federal government's power to appoint the judges of the accountability courts in the country, and it had been jointly moved by Khurram Dastagir Khan, Rana Sanawla, Mohsen Nawaz Ranja, and Maryam Aurangzeb, full stop. I withdraw the bill as the PMLN, in line with the PDM decision, has decided not to amend or hold discussions on NAB, National Accountability Bureau, laws, said Khurram Dastagir Khan when asked by Deputy Speaker Qasim Suri to move the private members bill titled National Accountability Bill, 2020, full stop. Talking to Dawn after the assembly session, Mr. Khan said it was a simple one-page bill through which they had called for the transfer of the authority of the federal government to appoint accountability judges to the chief justices of the respective high courts, full stop. On the other hand, the assembly rejected four similar bills of the PMLN regarding the appointment of judges in banking courts, anti-terrorism courts, customs courts, and anti-narcotics courts, when all of them were strongly opposed by the ministers concerned and parliamentary secretaries, full stop. All these bills were rejected through a voice vote, full stop. New para, while moving the bill regarding appointment of judges in the anti-narcotics courts, PMLN's Mohsen Nawaz Ranja quoted the example of the case of Rana Sanawla and said that everyone saw as to how a judge was transferred during the hearing of the case through a simple message on the mobile phone, full stop. He suggested that the powers to transfer judges should be given to the Chief Justice of the provincial high courts to save the judges from possible influence of the executive, full stop. New para. After attending a joint meeting of the PMLN's parliamentary groups on Monday, party's Vice President Maryam Nawaz had ruled out possibility of holding talks with the government on any issue, particularly the NAB laws, full stop. She had stated that the PMLN would not allow the government to change the accountability laws, adding that the present rulers would face the same NAB which was now for the opposition, full stop. Meanwhile, the National Assembly also rejected a bill moved by MNA Mohsen Dawar seeking an amendment to the Pakistan Penal Code, 1860, and the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1898, aimed at criminalizing the offense of enforced disappearances in the country. Full stop. New para. Speaking in support of the bill, Mr. Davar said that there had been unrest in the provinces of Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa over the enforced disappearances of the people. Full stop. He said the purpose of the bill was to criminalize the offense. Full stop. He said the bill had suggested life imprisonment for those found involved in the cases of enforced disappearances. Full stop. He asked Federal Minister for Human Rights, Dr. Shiri Mazari, to support the bill, reminding her past when she used to talk about the issue while in the opposition. Full stop. New para. Opposing the bill, Parliamentary Secretary for Interior Shaukat Ali said that after the 18th Amendment, the law and order had now been the provincial subject. Full stop. He said they had referred the bill to the provincial governments to seek their opinion and they were yet to respond. Full stop. He asked the deputy speaker to defer the bill, but the latter put it for a voting which ultimately led to its rejection. Full stop. At the outset of the sitting, the House witnessed exchange of heated arguments between Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi and the opposition members when the latter demanded a debate on their adjournment motion on the recent increase in power tariff. Full stop. New para. When PPP's Syed Naveed Qamar and Raja Parvez Ashraf asked the deputy speaker to allow the debate after suspending the normal business, the foreign minister took the floor and first suggested the debate on some other day and later announced that the government was ready to hold a debate on the issue immediately, even today, when the opposition protested. Full stop. New para. PMLN and Asan Iqbal questioned Mr. Qureshi's act of responding to a matter which the opposition had raised with the deputy speaker. Full stop. He said Mr. Qureshi was responding to the issues related to the parliamentary affairs, despite the fact the government had an advisor. Full stop. He said if the foreign minister was looking after the parliamentary affairs, then who was running the foreign ministry? Full stop. He alleged that it was because of such acts of the minister that the country was facing humiliation at the international level on all the fronts, be it the PIA or the Kashmir issue. Full stop. Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs Ali Muhammad Khan defended the foreign minister and then hit out at the PMLN for not showing up to a scheduled meeting with a government delegation on Monday. Full stop. Nearly 100 elected members of the opposition preferred to attend a meeting that was being presided over by an unelected person, instead of giving importance to the parliament, said the minister in his apparent reference to the PMLN's parliamentary party meeting, which was also addressed by Maryam Nawaz. Full stop. New para. You said last week you would come and cooperate in running the parliament more smoothly, and discussion would take place in the office of the NA Speaker. Full stop. We went to the NA Speaker's office, comma. Other people from the opposition came, full stop. It, comma, was the PMLN, comma. He said, full stop. He said the PMLN members remember the constitution in front of the mic but forget everything outside the parliament, full stop. New para, we are told respect the vote, full stop. Yesterday you gave a lot of respect to the vote when you went in front of an unelected person instead of this shackled parliament, comma. He said, full stop, he was of the view that the PMLN should have held this meeting at the party's office instead of the Parliament House building, full stop. PMLN Mariam Aurangzeb wanted to respond to the minister, comma, but the deputy speaker adjourned the sitting till Friday morning without taking up more than 70% business on the agenda, full stop.